question, guys, in the same series. Let's pause the video for a second, read the question, and then we will break it down. I'm assuming you read the question, and you can also watch this video on 1.5x if you want to save some time. A media company is planning to host its relational database in AWS. They want a low cost, so that's my first clue. It's a low cost, on demand auto scaling, so it should be scalable automatically. A database from the RDS family that can handle variable and unpredictable workloads and scales compute capacity up and down based on your application's needs. This is actually a no-brainer, guys, but you might be confused between two options. One is Amazon Aurora. The second is Amazon Aurora Serverless. Why I'm not selecting RDS for MySQL and RDS for PostgreSQL? Because the auto scaling will not be here. We'll have to manually scale them up. We'll have to have complex setup of alerting mechanisms for monitoring their workload before we scale them. Of course, Amazon is more into their own solutions. So Amazon Aurora and Amazon Aurora Serverless are a good way to meet the on-demand up and down scaling needs. Why I would go for serverless is because they're looking to save some cost based on their loads. Amazon Aurora will be a provision load and Aurora Serverless will scale according to the need of the company. So that's what I go with, Amazon Aurora Serverless.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos at Simply Clouded. To subscribe our channel, please hit the bell icon at the bottom.